Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can export video in CapCut without Pro. So let's get started. Open up CapCut. So if you have not added any Pro features like captions, text, effects, you can simply export the video by tapping on export right over here and then tapping onto it one more time. However, if you have added something like captions or an effect that is under Pro version, you'll see notification asking you to join Pro in order to export. To export without Pro, you have to go back and look for Pro features. For example, if you have added an effect or text transition, that's Pro. Simply remove or replace it with an effect that isn't under the Pro version. Once you have replaced or removed the Pro feature, you can now export the video without seeing the Pro message. That's it. It's really that simple. Just remove any Pro feature to export your video. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.